The greenhouse, Farnborough Sixth Form College's purpose-built social space for students, is using 20 rectangular Quadra column casings from Encasement to conceal structural steel columns while integrating with the interior design. Manufactured from strong 8mm thick pre-formed plywood, the 220mm by 400mm Quadra casings stand 2.9 metres high and are located within the large open-plan communal space to provide an aesthetic and durable solution for concealing the structural supports. Each Quadra casing is pre-finished with a polyray bonded laminate surface in CO49 cactus green, which is designed to resist scuffs and damage in high-traffic areas, such as those found in retail, hospitals, offices, and of course, education. The casings also incorporate matching infill strips to give an integrated finish to the vertical joints, while also using a 100mm high grey skirting collar to add contrast to the design and blend in with other elements of the building's interior design scheme. For further information, please visit the Encasement website.